Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and today I am doing a collab with Rebecca from Never Too Old for Dolls, Karen from Starts and Stitches, Lorraine from Serenata, and Ayla Avar. And what we're doing is we took this pattern and we're making this dress. It's a dress and a headset and a scarf to tie. Or we call this a sash and a headscarf. I wish that they would have taken this vintage pattern and give us the vintage directions, because these were the worst directions. I couldn't even believe it. I got this out to show you. I don't know if anyone else had trouble with it. I sure did. And I could not get this piece here right. I had trouble with this particular pattern. But I am not kidding you. It says, place the balls on the doll, blah, blah, blah. Slip, stitch, laps, edges together. Stitch it on your doll? Tip, to make the garment removable. Are you kidding me? So anyway, I had to make a lot of changes on it. It is cute. I love the photo here. I am not real happy with this. I used this fabric. Let me see if I can pull this off and show you. I found I didn't even finish the sash. I was so angry with the pattern. This fabric was a shirt that I bought on clearance, and it's like a double gauze, and ever so often it is, can you see those little stitches there? It's like stitched together. That's how it came. And so I was fighting that. I really got disgusted with the pattern. However, thank you, ladies. I always enjoy a good collab. While I was at it, or before I started, I also made, where are they? The boot spats. Well, I know they're here. Here they are. I thought they were boots, but they're spats. And I took pleather. We actually went and got some pleather, and I got brown, which was stupid because they go over Barbie shoes, and I should have got black. If there are brown Barbie shoes, they are far and few between. But these worked out beautifully. I put them on the doll, and they were really cute. Right now I have her, I have her barefoot because that's what someone wearing this dress would have had. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Thank you so much to Rebecca, Ayla, Karen, and Lorraine. I really appreciate that you joined in on this pattern. Wish I had sent you a little better one, and hopefully you didn't have any problems with it. I will leave their links below. Please go by to each channel and not only watch their video, but like their video, leave a comment, and subscribe to everyone. It really helps one another out in the dolly community. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.